Welcome back. In this video we will write a C program to delete any element from any position in an array. Before starting the video, you must watch a video titled as deletion from any position from an array, which is a part of data structure playlist uploaded on my YouTube channel. I will add the link in the I button above also, so please watch it because I have discussed the logic in that video and I will write the code in this video. So let's start with the code. The code which you are seeing now in the screen, on the screen, is for insertion of any element at any position in an array, and we will customize this code for deletion of element from any position in an array. First of all, I am having an array called as my array consisting of 5 numbers, and there are some variables: position, value, counter and size. So I will not require the variable called value because I will not use that variable, and I will require counter and I will require size. Okay, so I am not requiring value, so I will erase this variable from here also. And now size is defined as 5 because I am having 5 elements in this array, and position, I want to delete the third element, which is 30. I want to delete that element from the array, so I am setting position is equal to 3. Now this part of code is printing the array, so I don't want to make changes in it. After that, I am printing a line break here, so I am not having any problem with that. Now if position is less than 0, if I want to delete the element before 0th position, then it should be invalid position, because in an array indexing start from 0 and we can't delete the element at index -1 position. And similarly, we can't delete the element after the size of array. If array is having five elements, then we can't delete the 6th element. So this part of code is checking for if a position entered by user is valid position or invalid position. It will say that the position is invalid, so we will not delete, and change the message from can't insert to can't delete. Now let's do one thing. Let's write the code if the position is valid. So what we will do is for counter, we want to shift elements one position prior to the element. If there are 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, if we want to delete 30, then we want to shift 40 at the place of 30 and 50 at the place of 40. So we want to shift n+1 element at the nth position. So for counter equals to position counter less than size counter plus. What we want to do is make my array of counter equals to my array of counter +1, and let me write the A in capital here, and after that I will decrease the value of size by -1. So size minus, and let's run the code and see if there are any error, then we will correct it after that. So you see, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I have deleted the 40th the 4th element instead of third element. So let me make some changes and correct it. So counter equals to position -1. Now I think it should work. Yeah, I have deleted the third element, which is 30, from the array. Let's check it for first element and last element also. So if I want to delete first element, then it will work or not. Yeah, the first element, which is equals to 10, has been deleted from the array. Let's check it for last element also, which is equals to position number 5. Let's run it once more. Now the last element is also deleted. Now let's check the program for other values, like when the position is -1, position is 0. If we want to delete the 0th position element, if it is possible or not, according to our code it should not be possible, because yes, let's check it. Okay, it's deleting because we have written as less than, not equal to, that's why it's deleting. Now let's run it. It will not delete and print invalid position, can't delete. Same, let's check for position equals to 6 and see, yeah, invalid position, can't delete. So we have written a code, we have customized the code which is used for insertion of element in any position at an array, and we have customized it for deletion of element from any position in an array. And we will write some more code in the next video. Until then, thank you very much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.